Fireworks! How about a round of applause for all of our dolphin friends? Now, one of the most commonly asked questions you get here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom is how do you get your dolphins to perform such incredible behaviors? Well, like many of you who have children or pets at home, we use a method known as positive reinforcement. Our animal care specialists are showing you some of the ways we reinforce right now. One of the ways we let our dolphins know they've done something well is by using a whistle. You'll know it too. Listen for the whistle and notice how our dolphins react. Great job, boys. Now, there are many reasons why we train. Training helps form strong relationships between our animal care specialists and dolphins. It is one of the ways we develop such a trusting and loving relationship. Training also helps us provide the best care possible for our friends, and it provides mental stimulation. Just like children, dolphins love to learn. It's fun. Let's watch our dolphins having some fun. Look like fun to us. What do you all think? Our animals here at the park are healthy, safe, and loved, and serve as important ambassadors for their environment and their species. These animals make a difference. These beautiful, smart, fun animals inspire passion. Many of you may not know this, but human pollution is quickly overtaking our ocean environment. This plastic pollution has a direct and deadly effect on all wildlife. Over 100,000 marine mammals and sea turtles are killed each year by being entangled in plastic. The good news is, all of us can make a difference. Six Flags Discovery Kingdom has made choices to help the environment. Our animal care specialists have made a commitment to carrying reusable water bottles, and it looks like Cupid is bringing one to our side of the pool.